Okay, so hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to I'll be showing you basically how to get Webstorm. It's a Jetbrains program that's like paid. It costs $50 and legitly. So basically that means it's not gonna be cracked, it's gonna be fully legit, and yeah. You can also get any other program as well. For example, IntelliJ idea, yeah, all the ultimate programs, you can get them that way. Only difference is that you may not be able to install some minor plugins, but I don't think that would be a problem. So yeah, as you can see, I have the program. I just opened it. Wait a second for it to launch. And yeah, it's fully working. So yeah, it's basically the ultimate, but as you can see right here, it's called early access program. So this is basically like before it gets released to the public. So you're basically a beta tester, that's why you have it for free. But yeah, let's get started. First you want to go to Jetbrains and type early access program, and this is basically everything here is basically the ultimate versions. For example, IntelliJ, if I go to IntelliJ and I go to download, you'll see it has an ultimate version, which by the way costs 50 euros per week, per month. What I'm kind of dumb. And it has a community version which is basically free, and you can see like the differences. For example, that's like what it supports and things. You get the point. But for some other programs like Webstorm, this does not exist. So basically, if I go to download, you see no version like that, or no version like no educational version either. You want to download like whatever program you want. I don't know which one to download, but like, yeah, I'm gonna just be showing you Webstorm. Let's click on download, and as you can see, pretty easy. You just got it, and you install it like every other program. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you how to get the updater thingy. For example, if you need that basically, so you can extend your license and so you can update it, because there may be some bugs with it. That's why you need it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, what you will need is basically this. It's the Jetbrains toolbox. So you can see I have these 3 programs right here, and you can like install every other program as well. Okay, so how to get that? You'll type Jetbrains toolbox. You click on this, you download it, and you install it. Now for example that this is loaded, I can show you that I can just open this, press yes, and then I can just install Webstorm and it will work fine. Same goes for these. I mean, this is free anyway, so I don't know why I'm saying this. But yeah, same goes for this. And about the bugs that I told you about, I haven't really noticed anything except a plugin that I use that does not actually work. I'm just gonna show you the plugin real quick. Plugins, if I go right here, these 2 plugins for some reason they crash that I use. I mean, it's not really that much of a problem, because it's just Discord integration, but like for the AI autocomplete, yeah, that's a bit of a problem. But I have tab 9, so I don't really care. I think tab 9 is better. Correct me if I'm not wrong. So yeah, basically that's all I wanted to show you. So have a nice day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.